My name is Geraldo. I am CIO at IP. IP is a Brazilian company that produces consumer products goods in Brazil. We have 95% of our products in Brazilian homes, and we want to deliver personal care too, and we believe that AI can accelerate it. We choose Rimini Street to support our ERP, and the results are very good. And because of that, we believe that Rimini can enable our AI strategy very fast with a lot of outcomes. The POC cut a lot of tasks through AI, and now we intend to reinvest this time of our employees to another tasks. Rimini can apply AI in all systems that I have. When you have the embedded AI, you need to manage every embedded AIs, and these embedded AIs don't talk with each other. ACP thinks only about the ACP environment, and the Rimini strategy thinks about all systems, think about the integrations with other systems like Salesforce. I believe this strategy is better than embedded AI in systems. We have a lot of AI projects at IP, but this one took less 1 month. The other projects, you need a lot of planning, solve technical issues, and in this case, with Rimini, we didn't have these issues. We deliver outcomes very fast. When I saw the final POC, I saw the UX and I thought, wow, it is beautiful. People will like to use this, because before the POC, people need to use email and other tools not friendly. And with the POC, the interface is very friendly. There is a big difference when you compare with another ways and other projects, especially applying AI, and the experience is so good. You can try AI agent, generative AI without big migrations, without big investments right now with Rimini Street.